हेलो एवरीवन। और आज है डॉक्टर भीम राव रामजी अंबेडकर की जयंती। सो आई एम हैविंग अ स्पीच फॉर हिम। लेट्स बिगिन। Today, as we all know that we are celebrating the 134th birth anniversary of an Indian jurist, economist, philosopher, anthropologist, historian, orator, editor, teacher, writer, and social reformer, Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. The name of his father is Shri Ramji Maloji Sakpal and his mother name is Shrimati Bhima Bai. The birthplace of Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar is Ambawade at Madhya Pradesh. His nickname is Dr. His nickname is Baba Sahib. Baba Sahib was born in one such caste, Shudra community. On that time, the lower caste were not just only untouchable, but also those who should not be heard or seen. Despite this social system, in his childhood, teacher of Bhimrao Ambedkar were very influenced. I want to tell you that after the 2 years of independence, I want to tell you that after the 2 years of independence, the Indian Constituent Assembly, with the valuable efforts of Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar as the chairman of drafting committee, adopted the final draft of the Indian Constitution on, two, on 26th November 1949 and came forth and came forth on 26th January 1950, marketing the Indians marketing the day Indian Sworn Democratic Republic, and we all celebrated that day on 26th January annually as Republic Day or Samvidhan Divas. I want to tell you that Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar is also known as an architect and the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar contributes to the creation of India, especially in the creation of the Constitution, ensure equality, liberty, justice for all the citizens of India. Friends, the Constitution of India is the largest written constitution in the world. Friends, do you know our constitution has 444 articles, 22 parts, and 12 schedules? Today, only for the efforts of Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, the lower caste of India are living their own way as they like, because only the constitution gives us 6 rights and one of them is right of equality. Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar became the first law minister of India. Here I want to tell you that Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar earned 32 degrees throughout his life. He was proficient in 9 languages: Hindi, English, Urdu, Sanskrit, Pali, German, French, and Gujarati, and Marathi was his mother tongue. After the long dedication throughout his life in providing social justice to women, the weak, the weak and deprived sections. On the morning of 6th December 1956, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar found passed away. In the end, I would like I would like to conclude my words by saying from the present time, while fully respecting my constitution in national development, I will strive to contribute wholeheartedly. Thank you. Bye. And happy Bhim Rao Ambedkar Jayanti.